Create one blank canvas and type any text. Right-click in the Layers panel and select Rasterize Type. Now add Gaussian blur. Duplicate the text layer and select the lower text layer. Now add motion blur. Now duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J 10 times. Then select all the copied layers and merge. Now erase these extra parts. Press Ctrl T, then warp and smudge, like shown in the video. Go to Layers and add Gradient Map. Choose any gradient you want. Now double-click on the text layer. Now, apply an inner glow, a color overlay, and an outer glow. Add some grunge texture now. Place the texture on the canvas and resize it. Drag and put the texture layer on top. Now change the blending mode to soft light. And change the opacity to your liking. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to see more similar videos.